Hello students, welcome. I am Engineer Arnaldo Centino Gagula, one of the faculty member of the Department of Geodetic Engineering of the College of Engineering and Geosciences. So today, we will be having our laboratory orientation, which consists of the introduction of the laboratory exercises, the discussion of the laboratory outputs, the templates, and additional instructions for laboratories. So this will be the authors and contributors for this material, and this is for the copyright notice. So the important part here is the PowerPoint file shall never be distributed to you, the other parties, or the students, and only a PDF file shall be distributed to the students of the course of this course only. No? And the distribution of the PDF to other parties except the students should have a prior permission or authorization to the authors or the and contributors, and also the Department of Geodetic Engineering of Caraga State University. To start, for the overview of the laboratory exercises, we have 7 lab exercises, namely Lab 1 is spacing, Laboratory number 2 is taping over smooth and sloping ground, Laboratory number 3, determining area of the rectilinear field by tape, and Laboratory exercise number 4 for differential leveling, Laboratory exercise number 5, 3-wire leveling, Lab 6 is for profile leveling, and lastly, for laboratory exercise number 7 is the closing of the horizon or closing the horizon. So monitor na itong laboratory exercises pito. No? So expected man nga dili jud nato ni siya ma-execute due to the current pandemic, no? Kay since need man jud dapat nato ni siya i-actual, but unfortunately dili pa pwede. So we have come up with this remedy na at least you have a laboratory exercises. Luck lang gyapon siya. It's because wala man niyo siya na execute, but don't worry kay ang manual is naaman sa amo mang ihatag sa inyo, ha. So detailed na pud to siya, the manual for laboratory number 1 to laboratory number 7. So ma-visualize na ninyo siya kung unsaon siya pag-execute, and we're going to discuss further for that in the next slide. This will be the general laboratory exercise mechanics, no? So we have 5 mechanics for the laboratory exercises, and first we're going to discuss is as part of the requirement of the course GE135 or the Fundamentals of Surveying and Mapping. The class is divided into 5 groups, no, since kay ang isa ka section is consisting of 25 students for laboratory. So we're going to divide you into 5 groups which consist of 5 to 6 members. So anong naa may 6 members, sir? It's because naiuban na 27 or 28 ang isa ka section. So mo na usay na ay 6 ang isa ka group, naiuban 5 ang isa ka group, no? And naa dapat siya 5 to 6 members of each group. Next mechanics is each group shall perform competitively all the laboratory exercises given by the instructor and must submit a laboratory reports on time. No, since kay dili man nato siya ma-execute, no, ang amua lang is dapat makapasa mo og inyong laboratory outputs and laboratory reports, no? Of course on time, kay ihatag man namo siya sa inyo, ha, ang laboratory, no, nga layo pa. So next is the lab reports must contain all the information based on the PowerPoint presentation provided by the instructor. So mao ni siyang naadiriya, i-discuss nato kung unsay sulod sa laboratory reports or unsay dapat ibutang sa laboratory outputs nga inyong ipasa sa AMUA. Next is each group has given the freedom to choose a format, but make sure that it is appropriate, creative, and presentable. So general mechanics man ni siya, class. Before manggod is ang pamaagi sa paghatag og laboratory outputs is through field notes, no? So dito ninyo isulat ang inyong laboratory outputs, the computations, laboratory report, the introduction, and many more aspects sa isa ka laboratory output, no? But since kay dili man niyo siya mapasa sa amo ang field notes, no? So mo na nag-come up pod mi og isa ka format or template, no, nga mao to inyong sundon, and mao pod to inyong ipasa sa amo nga naa na siya isudod nga required nga information needed. And also the template of that is given na sa atong LMS, and ako po siyang i-discuss unya kung unsay sulod adto nga template. And lastly, for mechanics is the delayed submission of laboratory reports shall mean a deduction of 5 points per day per activity. So this is a general laboratory mechanics. So pag di na to siya mapasa, so na deduction 5 points per day, no, per activity, of course. Like for example, dugan yung napasa si laboratory number 2, no, delayed mo 2 days, so na ay deduction of 10 points for laboratory number 2. And now for laboratory exercise instructions or additional instructions for this new normal of laboratory exercises. So first thing is mo ni ang pinaka-importante kay murag mo ni ang major changes for this new normal, no. So first is each group is given by a field notes by the instructor. So sa laboratory exercises 1 to 7, so ang inyong instructor, no, or kami nga inyong mga instructor is kami maghatag og field notes, no. Unsa nang field notes? Kanang data nga inyong mag-gather supposedly in the field, no. But dili man niyo siya mag-gather kay bawal pa man siya, bawal pa man mo kaadto sa eskwelahan, and also kinahanglan man dapat ni siya i-execute no sa field, pero bawal pa man, no? Di pa man siya pwede, di pa man siya i-allow nga mag face to face for laboratory. So yeah, we have come up with this decision nga kami na lang maghatag sa field notes or the data nga inyong i-solve. Pero kada nga mga data is based gihapon na siya sa mga previous nga mga laboratory exercise nga nahimo na sa mga estudyante, no. So each group, mata grupo isa tigaan siya og isa-isa ka set of field notes. Like for example, in this laboratory number exercise number 2 or laboratory exercise number 2, no, kaning si trial 1 or line AB, ang length, difference, mean, o relative precision is given, no. Ihatag na namo siya. And also the trial 2 or the BA is the length, difference, mean, o relative precision is amo na pud na siyang ihatag, no. And ang inyo na lang part is i-solve, i-analyze, i-visualize, then make a laboratory report, no, laboratory report. And mo to inyo i-submit sa amua, no? Okay, para lang jud na naamoy background kung unsa dayon ni siya ang taping over smooth and sloping ground. Ayo kabala ka kay ang amuang manual is ang manual na nabuhat or na-establish na for this laboratory exercises is detailed na siya. So masabtan na gid ninyo siya kung inyo lang gid siyang sundan, no. So I hope nga magets ninyo ang part na diri ang diri ang part magets ninyo siya. And we have to do this kaya it's because GA135 is national laboratory, so dapat naagid pud mo yung laboratory output. So next instruction is you will be grouped into 5 groups consisting of 5 to 6 members. So muna niya ang ato ang gi-discuss kaganina, no, sa general mechanics pa lang. So ang groupings are posted in the preliminaries topic, no. So naay part dito before pa ang laboratory number 1. So naay nakabutang dito nga preliminaries. So dito na mo ibutang ang inyong groupings, no. I-check lang niyo sa inyong LMS. And also the video or this video for the orientation is ako gyapon i-post dito sa ato ang LMS. Also the PDF file of this presentation is i-post gyapon ako dito sa ato ang LMS, no, or sa Masaw. So next instruction is in each laboratory exercise, no, sa 7 laboratory exercises, you need to pass a laboratory exercise output individually, no, individually. And ang template ani nga inyong ipasa is na all naka-attach na pud siya sa LMS ug ako pud siyang i-discuss after ani nga slide, no. Alright, so akong outrohon, you need to pass laboratory exercise output individually, no, isa-isa. So unsa nasulod sa laboratory exercise output akong i-discuss after ani nga slide, no? Then next is not following the instructions as stated and discussed in this orientation video will have a deduction of points. So deduction of points, it depends on the perspective of the instructor, no? Kung maingon sa instructor nga okay, late ka, no, late nimo siya, or not following instructions, mali imong gihatag nga data, instead nga ang imong na-copy nga data is or field notes is sa lahi nga grupo. So ingana pa lang minor na siya nga mga not following instructions, no, na deduction depende sa inyong laboratory instructor. So this will be the laboratory output template, no, nga naka-attach na pud ni sa inyong LMS or sa Masaw. So mao ni ang dagway nga inyong dagway sa inputan ninyo sa inyong necessary informations needed, and also the field notes, and mao pud ni ang inyong ipasa nga file sa Masaw, no, sa LMS. So nakabutan diri GE135, the fundamentals of surveying and mapping. This is example, no, for laboratory exercise number 1, which is spacing. So nakabutan diri importante section, ibutan ninyo ang section ninyo. Then you need to indicate also the group number, no, group number, then kinsa ang inyong group leader. So by the way, sa naka-attach naman dito sa LMS, no, ang mga groupings ninyo. So you need to decide kinsa ang inyong leader, no, sa group leader. Then the rest is indicate for your group members, no? So next part of the template is the objectives. So sa kani siya, ang objectives given na ni siya, na to determine individual pace factor and to measure distance by pacing. So wala mo idugang diri nga part sa objectives. So fixed na ni siya, no? And next is field notes, no? Pasabot ni butangan siya individual kay it's because you need to input the necessary field notes nga gihatag sa inyong laboratory instructor. So inyo lang siyang i-input diri ang tape distance, no? Given man ni siya, no? Mao man ni among pasabot nga ihatag na lang namo ang field notes, then you need to calculate, then make a laboratory report. So first, for example, kanino, trial 1 to 5, AB, BA, AB na po, tapos BA, tapos AB na sub. So isa na siya ang tape distance, then number of paces, no? Amo dyan po na siyang ibutang dito sa kami man gyapon maghatag sa inyong field notes, no, by group. And also this mean number of paces inyo man ni siyang i-calculate, then pace factor is inyo po ni siyang i-calculate, so as for the line CD. So all necessary input data sets or necessary field notes, given field notes, is amo siyang ihatag. Then you need to indicate the necessary information nga need ninyo i-calculate. Kamo na din bahala, no? Okay. Tudloan naman mo sa inyong lecture kung unsaon siya pag-calculate. So the last part of the template is the computations, no? Indicate niyo diri ang giun sa pag-solve ang pace factor, giun sa ang pagkuha ang mean number of paces, and other etc., no, other necessary informations nga inyong gi-compute is you need to show this, or inyo siyang i-show this sa computations na part. Pangutana, sir, dili man namo siya ma-encode sa Word, no? So pwede siya nga inyo siyang i-solve in a piece of paper, no? Piece of paper nga limpyo, and also dapat systematic, no? Dapat naka-arrange siya nga computations. Then you need to capture it using your smartphones, no? And insert your picture in the computations nga part, no? So pwede siya mag-solve mo sa inyong notebook, pero dapat naka-arrange, naka-plus star. Dili pwede nang kuris-kuris lang ha, or kanang dili masabtan ng agi, dapat clear, no, na makita na mo pag ma-capture sa inyong camera, insert in the computations part. Okay, individual man so you need to solve it individually man, no? So kanang necessary computations i-solve sa notebook, pwede ra, or kung ganahan jud ninyo nga i-encode jud ninyo siya sa Word, so wala may problema, pero dapat plus star ha. And also kung maglisod mo encode, isulat lang sa papel, capture it, then insert this in the computations part. Individual siya, individual. Again, individual ang pag-solve. So, last part is the laboratory report. For the laboratory report, this is done by group. No? Pasabot, sa isa ka grupo, isa ra inyong laboratory report. No? Magsabot mo sa introduction, kinsay magbuhat, or kung ganahan mo maglahi jud og lahi-lahi mo og kibali part, no, sa laboratory report. Like for example, si member number 1, sige ikaw magbuhat sa tong introduction, or kamuduha naka-assign for introduction. Then sa results, inyo man yung i-discuss, no? Introduction is short lang, mga 1 paragraph. So okay na siya, good na siya. Basta kay masulti lang ninyo or ma-discuss lang ninyo ang unsa ang laboratory exercises all about, no, for introduction. Then for the results, no? So for the results, you need to narrate or you need to explain in this part kung unsa inyong resulta, no? Pila inyong pace factor, no? Yung sa unsay importansya sa pace factor, no? Mga results na inyong na-compute is you need to state in the results. And lastly, for the last part of the laboratory report is the conclusion. Unsa inyong na-conclude after you have visualized, analyzed, and compute the necessary data sets in this laboratory exercise. Unsa inyong na-come up, or unsay naa sa inyong mind nga na-conclude din nga okay, importante gid ni siya kay it's because magamit ni siya for this one, and so on and so forth, etc. No? So kasayod naman siguro mo na kay natapos naman mo sa inyong English 4 kung say pas English, no, na part kay simple lang siya nga technical writing, no? So conclusion, unsa inyong ma-conclude out of this laboratory exercise. And lastly is the documentation, no? But since dili man gid ni siya needed, no, kay wala man gid ta nag actual field, no? For documentation purposes, no, pwede nga inyong ibutang diri sa documentation is picture na nag-solve mo during this laboratory exercise, no? Para ma-sure na mo nga kamog yun ang nagsulat, no? Picture sa inyong laboratory, picture na nag-solve mo, then and we need evidence lang na kamoy yun ang nagbuhat sa inyong laboratory exercise or kamoy nag-solve sa inyong laboratory exercise. So this is for the documentation. So mga 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, no, nga mga pictures inyong insert diri. So mo suffice na siya, no? So I hope and I guess na nagets ninyo ang unsaon na to ang atong laboratory exercises karon in this new normal. So I hope na mutaas pa tong pasensya gamay class, no, kay we have also done this far na, no, nga murag wala na pud mi ka sige mi og visual, sige mi og kanang meeting kung unsaon jud ni siya ang laboratory kay since hapit na mahuman ang semester but wala pa tay laboratory exercise nga nabuhat, no? Siguro kung new normal lang karon, I think natapos na ta, no, for this laboratory exercises. So I guess this ends my presentations for this laboratory orientation. And if you have questions, no, you can contact your instructor, no, for G135 if you have clarifications regarding this the laboratory exercises in the new normal. No, so thank you so much for listening and watching class, and see you and advance Merry Christmas.